Hey, I got a little something in the mail today. Let's find out what it is. I'm gonna cut it open. I'll be right back. Okay, let's see what it is. We're gonna do this together. I like doing it with y'all so that we're surprised at the same time. I feel there's a big square thing in there and then papers. So we're gonna not look. I get the papers. Okay. So it's this. There's writing on this side, but I got my hand covering it, so I don't know what it is. We're going to put the writing side down. What is it? Let's see. All right. Nope, we don't want to read that because I don't want to know what it is. Nope, that's just the receipt. Oh, a gift for you. Enjoy your gift. I know you may not use this now, but it's great for cleaning the seeds out of squash. Love you and many blessings to you from Diane C. Oh, what is it? What is it? Because you know, I'm going to be wild thing. You know, my carnivore is almost over. I only got 4 more days and I'm back to my squashes and all that stuff. Okay. Focus, Terry. All right. Nope. We're not gonna let the thing tell me. Blue. Breathe, buddy. Just breathe. Callie! It's a madhouse around here. They all come running because I said her name. They're afraid that she's going to get something that they're not going to get. I'm not giving her nothing. She ain't getting nothing. Just breathe. Okay. Are you ready? Because I'm ready. I'm ready to see what it is. Okay. We're going to close our eyes. Close your eyes, guys, until I say. Okay. Close your eyes. Are we ready? We're going to open our eyes at the same time. 1, 2, 3. Open our eyes. Hey! These are going to work so good. These look like there's those grapefruit spoons. Look at that. Oh, Diane, these are going to work great. They'll be we got butternut squash. Ooh, they scrape good on my hand. I know it's not what they're made for. I know that. I got practice. I could use this in pumpkins. I could use it in squash. What else do I scrape out the insides for? The butternut squash, the acorn squash. And it scrapes good. This is awesome. Thank you. Because I'm enjoying my squash. And I'm going to make some more as soon as I can. Because I love me some squash. I just like, this will make it so much easier. I'll cut it and I'll go over to the trash can. And then I'll peel it. Because that's the part I hate. I hate getting all gummy and grody. Thank you so much, Diane. That is so sweet of you. Thank you. Give me just a second. We're going to put your little name up here. Hang on. Let me find your little dealie. Where's the dealie? I got to find the dealie. All right, and then I got to find a place for it. Oh, I see a spot, Diane. Diane. Oh, boy. Thank you. This is great. I am so excited. Max was excited, too. He's down by my feet just bouncing like, oh, boy, I'll get to use it, too. Let's see. We're going to put you right here. Right there. Oh, that's my water. Oh, man. Oh, no, it didn't spill. Good. All right. So that's where you are, Diane. When you see my wall of gratitude. Oh, I can't see that far. Right there. There you are. Thank you so much. I'm so excited. I didn't even look how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's perfect. No. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, perfect. That's good because if I don't do my dishes right away, I'll have some. I am so stinking excited. Thank you, Diane. Thank you. Because I'm loving me some squash. And you know what? Hey, always thinking, always using this noggin. Rutabaga. If I pop it in the microwave and I don't peel the outside off, I can use this and scoop it out instead of fighting that peeling and getting my hands all goopy. Girl, Yes. Yes, you got my brain going. I love it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I really appreciate it. Thank you.